Are you a new mom and you are scared about baby's safety when you put him in his crib by himself? Then you are in right place. And I have some great ideas which can make you comfortable and the baby can have his good night sleep. Welcome back to DIY Already. If this is your first time clicking on my video, then my name is Sayanthini and welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you are my DIY Already family, then welcome back, guys. I really hope you find this tutorial very easy and realistic. Today I'm going to talk about 10 crib safety tips for newborn or infant which I follow, and they are very useful and you might not have seen many of them before. So let's start. First tip is use uncovered pool noodles as crib bumper when the baby is really tiny. When I used to swaddle my baby and he couldn't move, that time I used to put pool noodles around the crib so that if he moves, he cannot bump his head. Again, you might have noticed that I didn't put any bed cover over the pool noodles to avoid seeds. When my baby started to rolling over, I switched to this product, which I bought from Babies R Us. Unfortunately, they are closed now. This crib bumper was around $80 before tax. It was a little on the pricey side, but it is working pretty well for my infant. While tying it, I just tied the upper side. Here is the tip number 2. Don't tie the lower edge. This is something no one will tell you. The reason is your baby is very active sometimes. He might stick his head underneath this protector somehow and the head might get stuck. It will be very terrifying for them, especially at night or in the dark room. So if you leave open the lower part, it will act like a curtain and will protect your baby's head too. I just tacked them under the mattress. I'm just sharing what I did. You don't have to follow me blindly because that might not work for your baby. So follow your instinct and talk to your doctor. You should talk to your doctor before you put any kind of barrier in your baby's crib, because nothing can be more important than baby's safety. The third tip is the crib should be pretty boring and empty. No pillow, no toys should be in your baby's crib. That's not just dangerous, it can also affect your baby's sleep. They need to understand when they are in crib, they need to sleep. Any kind of toys may distract them and they might end up super excited. They can definitely have toys, but not when they are in the crib. Fourth tip is make some additional storage in your crib. You can store anything that you might need at night, like pacifier, bulb syringe, barf cloth, diaper. Anything handy is useful. I screwed 3 hooks on the side of the crib and hanged a shoe organizer which doubled the purpose as storage. And this is a cool DIY. I was looking for some crib overhanging toys online and the good ones are pretty pricey. Some of them were as pricey as $90, so I decided to make my own. I really liked this toy from Pottery Barn and they are asking more than $50 after shipping and tax. I already had some pom-pom at home and they are pretty cheap. And this cute toy I bought from IKEA around 2 years ago. This is the view babies can see. I don't think IKEA sells this anymore, but they have many cute ones. I just chose these 3 colors to match the theme color of the nursery. Also this light blue thread which goes well with the rest of the decor. It's kind of a perfect ring, so I chose 3 points in between the animals and bird so that it won't block the view when babies look at it. It's pretty straightforward DIY. I went through 1 pom-pom at a time and just eyeballed the gap between 2 pom-poms. Every time I inserted a pom-pom, I tied a knot to secure it in place and kept repeating that process till I was done. And this is the final look. Okay. Before, I thought I should hang this toy above the crib because it is pretty boring there, but then I realized it will make him excited and he might not get enough sleep, so I rather hanged it over the changing table. Now changing diaper is so much fun. There is no more rustling over diaper change, and mom is happy, so as the little one. And this is another trick which I really love and I want to share with you guys. I bought this crib from IKEA. It is pretty simple, but like all other cribs, it does not have cushions, of course. So babies can bump their head the moment they started sitting up or rolling over. So I came up with tip number 6. These white cushion pads are normally made as furniture edge protector, but I thought it is a great way to give some padding from inside when the outside of the crib looks exactly the same. So you don't have to, compromise the look of it. It comes with the double-sided adhesive, and I cannot tell you guys how much I love this hack. I even did the same for my toddler's bed too. I also use them on the vertical railings. I bought them from Amazon and they're not very expensive either. The proper railing covers are pretty expensive, and the one I'm looking at now is not even the most expensive one. Tip number 7 is use pool noodles instead and save even more money. You just need to secure them with some tape after placing them. That's what I did when my elder one was little. Eighth tip is use mattress protector all the time, and not just on the mattress but also on the changing table. Accident happens, guys. My little one threw up like crazy till he was 4 months old. Mattress protectors are lifesavers. I would recommend you to buy this kind of protector which has cotton in the right side and rubber on the back. These are perfect. It absorbs well, and because of the rubber lining, it does not soak in the back. I bought them from IKEA and the price is amazing for the kind of job it does. Ninth tip is invest on some wearable blankets. This is another way to calm your baby down and also safe for them. You can find a lot of options online, but I wouldn't recommend you to buy this kind of blanket because baby's legs can be stuck between the railing. Try to avoid those which has spans, especially for infants. Okay, no one will tell you this thing. You will learn it with experience. Tip number 10 is secure photo frames with 3M frame stabilizer stripes. Let's be honest, guys, we all want to display little memory of our baby over their cribs. but it's not necessarily safe for them, especially when there is an earthquake or something like that. It can fall right on top of your baby, so we don't want that. That's why we have to secure the frame if it's right over your baby's crib. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that will give you some good night's sleep rather than just staring at your baby monitor. I can totally understand. I'm a mother of two. I have a toddler and an infant at home. Both are boys, super active, and I'm always worried about them. If you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and also click that little bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. And also comment below in the comment section so that I can connect with you and we can share our opinions and ideas. I am coming every week with my new videos, so stay tuned and stay well. Till then, bye.